Alright, in this video we're going to see how we can copy our formulas using the find and replace. Now why would we want to do that? Now here we have some sums, right? You can see that from here. We have sums, but the sum of the specified cells, the cells are not locked cells. So when I want to copy this from here to the I column, paste it, the values are going to change because the values have also moved 2 columns because I have moved the formula 2 columns. Now to avoid that, what we could have done is we could have locked the cells in the formulas, but for some reason we are not able to do that because we may want to add some other things. We may want to change the rows here, we may want to add another fruit here. So to copy it here, what we are going to do is we're going to use the find and replace. You can go to home tab, and in the editing group you can go to replace like that by clicking it, or there's a shortcut for it. So the shortcut is Shift and F5. So when you press Shift and F5, the find and replace will pop up open, and from the find we go to replace and find what. You're going to get the equal sign because we want to find all the formulas here, not the equal sums only. We want the equals because the only formulas here are equal sums. Now replace it with any letter so that it no longer remains a formula, it will become a text. Okay, so just click on replace all and click on OK. Now you can see that all of the formulas have become text. Now we are just going to copy it. There you go. And now we're going to paste it in the specified place we want to paste it. Now what we have to do is we have to turn it back into formula. To do that, we're just going to repeat the thing from here. We're going to find J, and now we're going to replace J with equal. So we're just doing the opposite of what we did in the first place. Now click on replace all. Here we go, and the formulas are now, they have become the formulas here, the same formulas in here. Okay, so that is one use of find and replace. As you practice more and more and apply your knowledge on different types of problems, you will find more use for this application. Okay, so keep on practicing, and thank you very much for watching. I hope you got to learn something new.
If you have found the video to be useful, please like and consider subscribing to the channel, as it will enable me to make more videos like this one. Thank you.